Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can see, we are giving volume, we are giving Diana Ross, we are giving natural, and I'm just here for it because honestly, this entire look took me 5 minutes to create. As you guys can tell by the title, I do have a wig installed today, and this wig required no glue to install, no leave out, no sewing down or doing any extra steps. I actually uninstalled another wig that I had, and I used my like worn out braids underneath this wig, and I literally installed this wig in 5 minutes. Added a little bit of layers to really create this volume here, and I'm good to go. I can't wait for my hair to get, like, my hair is growing, guys. It's like almost here, but I have a lot of shrinkage. I would say this hair is a bit curlier and kinkier than my own natural hair, but my shrinkage is real. So when my hair is curly, I get literally about just to here. So I'm loving this like extra length, this super thick volume, and the fact that I'm still able to protect my natural hair and I don't have to have any leave out. So be sure to check the description box down below if you want to check out this wig for yourself. This is an I-part wig from ilikehairwig.com. They also included a 25% off coupon code, so be sure to check the description box down below because you can save at least $50 off on this wig, bringing it down to about $150 if you get an 18-inch like this one. And it is human hair, and it's a wig that you're just gonna be able to reuse so much, just throw on when you don't really want to do a full installation and still get a really nice and cute voluminous look. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the unboxing, all the details of this wig, the inside of the wig cap and the specs, show how I installed this wig in literally 5 minutes. And I do now have this wig on like a slight side part, but I originally installed it in like a straight center part, so you guys will see both options. It's very versatile, very beginner friendly, safe and protective for your natural hair, so you don't again have to put glue on your natural hair or leave any hair out. And I just think that's like the absolute bonus on this wig, which makes it really practical and just a bit different. I actually saw this video on TikTok of a girl or a lady installing this wig, like this type of wig. I don't know if it's exactly from I Like Hair, and she basically just teased up the center and installed the wig how I did, clipped it on, and that was it. And I was kind of like, I wonder if it really works like that in real life, you know what I mean? So you guys will see today how it worked out for me. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want me to try different wigs like this instead of just doing like frontal wigs and installing frontal wigs all the time. As always, be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I will have it linked down below as well if you want to stay connected with me a little bit more. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and make yourselves comfortable and just keep on watching. This is the box that the wig came in. It just has their logo on the front, and it came in this beautiful orange box, as you guys can see. It just says ilikehairwig.com on the front, as well as has their little logo on it. When you do open up the box, they included a little note, and on the back of it, it just has their social media and contact information. And then it has some information on how you can win some money back, I believe, and like receive some money back. The hair did come wrapped in a separate tissue paper, the length of the wig on it, which is 18 inches. They also included some goodies, which is always really, really nice. They included a rat tail comb, as well as a set of wig caps, some tweezers, 2 hair clips, as well as a little eyebrow lash kind of brush. And they also included this makeup bag, which is actually really, really nice, and I definitely will be using that when traveling. This is the wig straight out of the box. As you can see, the curls are really tightly formed and all kind of together. And the inside of the wig does look like a U-part wig. It has the combs all around the top. It has an elastic band as well as a comb in the back. And I did go ahead and already adjust the straps in the back, so that's why they are hooked. And I did decide to go ahead and co-wash this hair and let it air dry because they did recommend that you do that as well, just to get the best result. This is the wig after air drying. I actually let it dry for a complete day, so it's fully dried. And I went ahead and just pinned it on to my wig head. Now, the curls actually do look very kind of together. And that is just because I feel like of the texture, but this hair has so much movement and is actually super soft to the touch, which you guys will see throughout the rest of the installation and rest of the video. This is the texture of the hair. Again, it's just such a beautiful, natural, kinky, curly curly hair, and I just absolutely love the texture of this wig. So they do recommend and state that you can install this wig without leave out. So I am gonna go ahead and tweeze up the parting area a little bit, because that is how they recommend and how I saw in the TikTok video, that you get it to look a little more natural and to extra disguise that little edge. You don't see a weft. There is no exposed weft, as you guys can see, but it is very blunt and thick right there at the part. So tweezing it just helps to add a little more frizz, helps to make it look a little more sparse and just natural. It's not that you're actually trying to hide any weft that's shown. They already went ahead and hid the weft with the hair. It is just recommended to help make it look a little more natural. Again, just showing you the cap construction a little clearer. There are combs on the side of the wig, as you guys can see above the elastic band. There is a regular comb in the back, as well as the adjustable straps. And then there are actual clips that you can open and close around the top of the hair. So these are my super worn out braids that I did with long press-on nails on. So that's why they're super loose and raggedy. But I'm showing you that you can literally just install this wig, clip it on to any braids, or even just a ponytail and slicking your hair down how it was shown in the TikTok video, which I think is really convenient. And because there's a lot of combs, it's actually pretty comfortable. But when you first install the wig, as you can see, it's very just blunt in that parting area. So you definitely just want to tweeze up and volumize up around that part to help disguise it. I mostly focus on tweezing the hair in the wig itself, but what I noticed after watching this video back and closely watching the TikTok video a little more was that the girl in the video actually used the tail of the rat tail comb to pull out and tweeze her natural hair underneath the wig in that parting space. I'm definitely gonna try that when installing this wig next, but I definitely think that this is very wearable, just how I installed it as well. This is what the hair looks like in a middle part after clipping it in. I do like that it's getting volume and playing with the hair, but I did want to add some more shape and definition. So I am going to be taking my scissors and I am going to go ahead and add some layers to the hair. I'm just taking really the areas in the hair that's framing the face, starting at the top sections and working my way down, and just creating really jagged cuts, layering the hair to create a more round shape. My natural hair kind of has this shape as well, and I feel like this just made the wig fit my face a lot better. So I did go ahead and do that to both sides, and this is what it was looking like. I was pretty happy with this, and I think this looks really good for literally installing it in like 5 minutes straight out of the box. But just to play around with it a little more, I did want to go ahead and try to install this on a side part, because after just looking at it a little bit, I felt like it would look a lot better. So I did go ahead and just unclip the wig and reclip it in just a little bit over on a side part, as you guys can see. And again, it took me like 1 minute to literally just move the part to the side and clip it on, and again just tweeze up that parting space, and voila, this is what it looks like. I'm so happy with this result. Again, I think the only thing that could have made this better was if I just added some eyeshadow in my parting space, or tweezed up my natural hair and pulled it out of the parting area a little bit more. But again, I think this is so cute. So guys, as you can see, this is literally the end result. You could obviously do so much more. Like, you can leave out some hair if you wanted to. If you happen to have a really wide open part and you feel like it doesn't look natural, you can take a little angled brush and you can take some dark eyeshadow, your eyebrow pencil, whatever you use, and you can just thicken that up. They also just have different part thickeners or wig and hair tints that you can use on wig, but you can use it in like your natural part. But literally, if you just go like this, they recommend you use a little brush, and that's how I saw it in the TikTok video, like a little comb. But if you just take your finger and just kind of tease it up a little bit, it makes it so undetectable. And then because of the volume of this wig as well, who's all up in your part? Like, so I think this wig is very practical. Again, I feel like if you are a very frequent wig wearer and you install like closure wigs and lace frontals, but you want to have something that's a little bit easier, I like the headband wigs. I feel like that's a good option as well, but you don't always want to have a headband in the front of your style. Well, at least I don't. I honestly prefer this. I like how it's just voluminous. it looks a lot more natural, especially at first glance. Even if someone is really looking closely, I feel like it's still natural looking. Like they might think you have clip-ins or something thickening your hair, but it's not looking like, oh, that's just a wig. Like, you know what I mean? I don't think it's giving that vibe, and that's what's actually really cool about it. So if you're someone who just doesn't want to wear lace wigs, doesn't want to glue wigs down, this is a really good option. If you're someone who does wear lace wigs and glue their frontals down like I do, and then you just have wash days or days where you just take your wigs off, you don't necessarily want to reinstall a wig or don't have the time to, boom, you throw on a wig like this, you can still go out somewhere and be really cute, and I really like that. So let me know what you guys think down below. I also think this wig is a good deal. This exact wig, this length and everything, is about $208, I believe. With my coupon code, you save 25%, which is around $50, bringing it down to like $150. And I think for a human hair wig, that's already a steal. And then the fact that you don't have to do too much to install it, it's like very ready to go. I think that's very practical. I also think you'll be able to reuse this and wear it so much, and it'll last a lot longer, because obviously you can sleep in this and throw a bonnet on or scarf on, especially if you're like, you know, sleeping over your boo's house or something. But if you are home, you could just take this off at the end of the night, put it back in your wig cap, put it on your wig head, and that alone allows wigs to last a lot longer. So for a lot of reasons, I feel like this wig is very practical and really nice and convenient, and definitely a good option for a lot of you out there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys have tried this wig out, if you guys will be trying this wig out, if you guys were curious about it like me and wondering like, what is this wig? Like, I don't know, I just feel like Diana Ross. I'm loving it. Like, it's making me feel like my hair grew out. Natural black girl magic, you feel me? And as always, I did my little baby hairs. I feel like that just pizzazzes it, but I don't have any leave out on the edges. I don't have any of my hair left out. I just feel like this looks so natural. It has a natural frizz to it when you really just keep playing with it, but the curls are still defined. As always, I will have everything linked down below, the exact specs to this wig, the direct link to this wig, my coupon code, all my social medias, business pages, my links, everything like that. So be sure to check the description box. If you have any other questions, you can let me know or ask me in the comments. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this. I was like so skeptical at first about this wig, and then even installing it, I was like, when I first had clipped it in, it took me to like add the layers, I feel like, and to just keep going like this for me to feel like it framed my face and fit me. I feel like if you have naturally this texture hair, you might just like work out, you might click with the wig instantly. I feel like because my hair is not as kinky, and at first it was just kind of like straight down, I felt like it just didn't flatter me. Like I wasn't like, oh, this wig is bad or the quality is bad or anything. I just was like, how do I make this fit me, you know? So play around with where you put the part, because I tilted it to the side a little bit, added some layers, and now I'm loving it. I feel like it looks so good, just so natural, and it's just, yes. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I hope you guys enjoyed. If nobody told you today, I am proud of you. You are loved, you are important, and you are worthy of love. Don't forget it, and don't let anyone ever let you forget that. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.